Save time and elevate your cleaning routine with the best vacuum cleaners for men. Dyson power and versatility, while Miele maneuverability with powerful dust capture. The Cleanview tackles pet hair efficiently, and Tineco excels in wet-dry cleaning. For an affordable yet effective option, the Shark is a top choice with advanced features. The best vacuums don't just pick up dust, they save you time too. And when our lives feel busier than ever, that's a good reason to want one of the best vacuum cleaners. An old, inefficient one means you're spending time cleaning that you could be spending on yourself instead. Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless. Dyson inspires remarkable loyalty among its customers, and it's at least partly because of the effectiveness of its vacuums and the cleaning innovations they've brought to floor cleaning, particularly cordless sticks. The Gen 5 is the top of the line and the most powerful of Dyson's cordless stick vacuums. The Gen 5 outsize offers a longer runtime and a larger dustbin, but may be too unwieldy due to its size and top heaviness. The built-in LCD screen impressively tallies collected particles. However, the Gen 5 Detect is a recommended choice, featuring a 70-minute runtime and a powerful, fluffy optic head with a built-in light. Users appreciate its versatility as a handheld vacuum and additional specialized tools available for various cleaning needs. Miele Triflex HX2 Cordless. The Miele Triflex vacuum cleaner is an impressive machine that can handle both large debris and microscopic messes. It features automatic floor time detection that adjusts rolling speed and power according to the surface type. This feature is particularly useful for people with allergies who need to clean carpets. The Triflex HX2 model has a Miele motor that provides cordless stick maneuverability and powerful dust capture on both hardwood floors and rugs. Naveen Singh, who's an allergy sufferer, has been a longtime fan of Shark vacuums, but he praises the HEFA's lifetime filter with 99.9% filtration of the Triflex. This filter ensures trustworthy cleanliness. The vacuum's versatility extends to transforming into a handheld machine that can be used in cars. Cleanview XR Pet 300-watt stick vacuum. The Cleanview XR Pet 300-watt stick vacuum is designed for efficient pet hair removal and overall cleaning performance. With a powerful 300-watt motor, it tackles dirt and debris effectively. Specifically crafted for pet owners, it includes features like specialized pet tools, ensuring thorough removal of pet hair and dander. The lightweight and maneuverable stick design makes it easy to reach various surfaces. The Cleanview XR Pet offers a convenient and practical solution for keeping homes clean, especially for those with pets thanks to its dedicated features and powerful suction capabilities. Tineco Floor 1 S15 Flex. The Tineco Floor 1 S15 Flex is a versatile and high-performance wet-dry vacuum cleaner known for its smart features. It includes the iLoop trademark smart sensor technology that adjusts water flow and suction power based on the detected level of dirt. With strong suction capabilities, it effectively cleans both hard floors and carpets. The dual-chamber system separates clean and dirty water, ensuring optimal cleaning results. The flexible and modular design allows for easy transformation into a handheld unit, enhancing its usability for various cleaning tasks. The Tineco Floor 1 S15 Flex offers a comprehensive and adaptable cleaning solution for households. Shark Stratos Ultra Light. The Shark Stratos Ultra Light is among the best Shark vacuums for pet hair that we've tested, and a great choice if you're looking for something a little more affordable. It's a flagship corded stick model in Shark's lineup and borrows some features from other vacuums that share the Stratos name, like the Shark Stratos Cordless. Like those other models, it features a replaceable cartridge to mask unpleasant odors as you clean, as well as the newest iteration of Shark's twin-roller Duo Clean floor head, which features a primary brush roll with built-in fins that are meant to discourage hair buildup. However, it shares a common downside. This primary brush roll isn't removable. While it doesn't have the go-anywhere range of a cordless model, its operating radius of over 30 feet is still reasonably long and will be sufficient for cleaning most large rooms without forcing you to swap outlets. If you found today's video informative, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications for future updates. Let us know your opinions and any questions you may have in the comment section below. Your engagement is valuable to us.